Hey traders, it's 13 minutes past 2 p.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 24th of June, and I'm looking for a fight with Pound Canadian. So let me share with you what I like about this one, what I'm keeping an eye on, and the one thing that actually bothered me some about this potential fight. So I want to start here with the daily chart, and the daily chart, what I like about this one is this level, the 172.40 area. If I zoom out a bit, we can see that what we had here is a nice consolidation. There were times that the sellers were very strong. They were able to push the price to a lower low, but the buyer came back and quite fast made a higher low and broke above that level to make a push and a second push. So I like that scenario, and we're currently having a pullback, and this is a rather deeper pullback. We changed direction here on the daily, but it really a pullback in the context of the higher time frame. So if we'll take a look here on the monthly and just look at this area, you can see we had a bit of consolidation, and it's all this area that we had a consolidation underneath. And this is the area, the last place that the seller were also strong and were able to have a massive push here to the 1.4 area. So we came back up and rather fast, and then we consolidated for a while. We finally pushed higher. We made a higher high. So the monthly chart is in an uptrend. But the one thing that bothers me about this one is where we got up to. So if I'll mark this area, let's do that with red, of where the market was able to travel into, we can see that it's actually this previous high over here, and it hasn't been able to take this higher spike. So it is a word of caution around that area. I would have preferred it if it would just ping above that area, but we don't have it. So I don't have the supporting evidence from the monthly of that ping, but we are still in an uptrend, and I'm looking at this pullback. Now, if we'll take a look here on the weekly, we don't really have a trend. We pushed from a lower low all the way up to a higher high, but I'm looking at this release of this buying pressure and the pullback into that level. Now, another piece of nice technical element that we can add here is the Fibonacci retracement. So from the low to the high, and we can see that level is also clustering quite nicely with the 50% retracement. So it's just another added little something. So if I'll draw back into the daily chart, what I'm looking for is really a pullback into this level. But because if we'll take a look even lower into the 4 hours, the way we're coming back into this level is really with a downtrend, then what I'm looking for in this case is for the market to show me signs that the buyers are ready to return around that area. So I'll be looking for any signs, even a deeper push into this area, somewhere even in and around these 1.72. I'm okay with that as long as I see signs that the buyers are taking back and this drop, this push to the downside is over. So this bigger picture pullback. So my offense area will start at around the 172.40, which is the high on those daily touches. But I'm very happy to see even a push lower to the 1.72, or even here the 1.71.5. So this is this area. I might just take another line to draw it, same color. This area is my offense zone, my offense area. Then I'll be looking for my point swing to be here at the green line, so just before this last touches, and for my knockout in and around the 1.7435 area, so around that pink line. So to summarize, I am looking for a fight with Pound Canadian. I'm looking at an offense zone which is spanned from around this top touches the 1.7240 all the way down to this 1.7150 area. I'm looking for signs that the buyers are ready to come back after that big picture pullback, and I'm looking for my point swing to be at this green line in and around the 1.7330 and my knockout at the 1.7435 area, or this pink line over here. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.